Now that you've watched the spectrograms and introduction video, you're ready to try looking at your own spectrograms. Go to musiclab.chromeexperiments.com/spectrogram. You can record your instrument and see the spectrogram that it produces by clicking on the microphone icon in the bottom left. Now a spectrogram will be created based on what your computer's microphone can pick up. Once you have seen the spectrogram for your own instrument, watch the sample spectrograms, starting with the flute, then the harp, whistling, trombone, drum machine, birds, computer sound, and wine glasses. You can just click on one and it will play that instrument, and you can look at the spectrogram and see how similar it is to your instruments. As in the video, higher up on the screen is a higher pitch, and the strength of the pitch in this case is indicated by how close to red it is. So the redder the pitch, the stronger it is. The green ones, yellow and blue, are less and less strong. Some things you may want to look for could be how concentrated the pitch is in one area. So for example, we can see the flute has lots of bars going up, but one stronger one. Whereas if we look at the drum machine, it's almost a straight line. We don't really have one pitch that gets more strength. And we can hear in the sound of a drum versus a flute that a flute does have a very clear pitch, whereas a drum does not have a pitch. So it makes sense that the sound isn't concentrated on one pitch for the drum. Make a spectrogram for your instrument and then check out the sample spectrograms for each of the other instruments and see which one is the closest to what your instrument looks like. If you're confused about what to comment on, just try thinking, what looks most similar to my spectrogram? Why are they similar? And how similar do they sound? And try and think of ways you can describe the way the sounds are related. You do not have to include a screenshot of your spectrogram, but it may be helpful for your description, and you may receive extra points for clarity if you do so.